Let's learn some colors and shapes. Red color, orange color, purple color, dark pink color, brown color, blue color, sky blue color, light pink color, yellow color, green color, dark green color, black color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. Let's make some shapes puppet. Triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon, square, now I'm making line in the triangle. I'm making small circle in the lines. This is red color. I am using rainbow color to color all the shape. Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, purple color. This is triangle. Triangle shape. Red color, circle. Circle puppet. orange color. All colors are rainbow colors. Green color, circle. Circle poppet. Purple is also rainbow color. Red color. Heart. Heart. Heart poppet. Purple is also rainbow color. Red color, star. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Star. Star puppet. Star. Star puppet. Purple color. Red color. Pentagon. Pentagon. Pentagon puppet. Blue color. Purple color. Pentagon. Pentagon puppet. Red color. Square. Square. Green color. Square puppet. Square. Purple color. This is square. Square puppet. Triangle. Circle. Heart. Star. Pentagon. Square. Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, purple color. Triangle puppet, circle puppet, heart puppet, star puppet, pentagon puppet, square puppet. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye.